Alright, greetings. I'm calling this one weekend update. Just mainly to show what's been going on. Not really one for the search algorithm, but just people who are subscribed because they want to follow and see this as it moves along. So I wanted to get the remainder of the carpet that was out. The only way to do that was to pull the seat. The seat's now up in front of the vehicle on the floor. I don't think that I'm going to reuse that seat. I really want to have bucket seats. I'll probably go with the aftermarket. I've got my eye on particular ones that I'll probably go with. Not really sure about interior either. There's a company that makes custom molded carpet for this vehicle, so that's good. I don't know if I can get an exact russet color like what it was originally, but if I can get it close, it does actually come with these pieces here, so you can update your door cards if you need to. But I thought about just going black seats and then updating the door card somehow. Not really sure. Also wanted to get I don't know if you've seen before, there's wires hanging all over the place and such. I got a lot of that cleaned up. Also replaced the headlight switch. I was pleased to see when I put those LEDs lights in the dash, I wasn't really sure if they would be dimmable or not. But I couldn't tell because the headlight switch that I had was the original and it was broken. It didn't, the dim didn't work. It was either on or off. So, but they do dim very nicely and still look good. Floor condition, I've kind of shown, it needs to be fixed in a few spots. Probably like this panel right here could just be replaced. I mean, it's fine right here. I do have a hole right there. Have a hole right there that I'm just packing with an old license plate for right now. Other sides, about the same. Looks a lot rustier up there in the front, but it's mainly just surface rust. So that's what's going on. I really don't know how quickly I'll make a decision on seats, but we'll have to do something soon because obviously it's not really drivable like this. Oh, also another advantage of this is it's been about just over 2 weeks since I ordered my roll cage from Anything Scout. Those orders go to a manufacturer that builds it and ships it, and so it takes a few weeks before you actually receive it, but I think it'll be much easier to put in without the seat in here. So that'll help. So that's what I did this weekend, May 2nd, May 1st, May 2nd. Thanks for following along. Thanks for watching.